Hi, my name's Udaba, and today I'm going to talk to you about our new Louvre Performance Calculator and Schedule Builder. So these are two new tools that have been designed to use in conjunction with each other. So previously, we had a nice quick-to-use performance calculator where you could enter your performance data and it would quickly calculate the project-specific pressure drop and rain resistance for each louver individually. So now this does a similar thing. However, it also works really well as an easy-to-use louver selection guide. So let's get started. You will need to log in and create an account first off to use these tools. However, you should only need to do that once. So once you've created your account, navigate back to Resources and to the Louvre Performance Calculator, and this window here should come up. So as you can see, we've got a few fields here where you can enter the data on your louver. So you'll have to enter the face width and face height, and meters. So that's the hard opening area for which your louver is going to be installed into. You can then enter your target pressure drop, say it's 30 pascals, the flow rate you are working with for your project, or for this louvered area. You can then select intake or exhaust, any accessories that you might be working with for this particular louver. You can also select vertical or horizontal if that's critical to your project architecturally. Okay, so once you've entered those performance parameters, you will end up with this nice list underneath that quickly shows you which louvers are going to work for your project. So you can see here we've got some pressure drops that are showing up red, obviously not quite meeting your target pressure loss that you've entered there. So once you've got that list, you can then start to play with these filters over here. So this is the category filter. So you can select between acoustic louvers, aerodynamic, rained events, or zero vision. And that will narrow down your list again once you've narrowed down the list to what you want to see. Then you can also change the order of your list depending on the name of the product or pressure loss ascending, etc. So now we can really narrow down our list and see what louver is going to work for our project. So this is great. We've now selected the louver that we want to use. Now we can start to build our schedule. So click on Move for Schedule Builder, and it will open up this window over here. So to start your new project, you just click on New Project. And as you can see, it automatically brings up a template for your first louver. Not only that, but it also allows you to put the project name, a client, and even the location of the project. And please know that anything that you input into here is confidential. This is data that only you will see on your account. Nobody else can access that. So it's very confidential. It remains on your account for you to edit when you need to. All right, so we've entered the project name, the client, and location. You then once again have to enter the data for each louver type. To start, you can enter a reference for your louver so that you can easily reference it back to the drawing that you're working on, a location, elevation, etc. You then manually select the louver that you're working with, any accessories, intake or exhaust, the louver size that we've worked out from the selection tool. You do have to enter that manually once more, I'm afraid, but the great thing about this tool is once you've entered all of these details or the louver type that you want to see on your project, you can easily duplicate these louvers. So as we know, there's often many of the same types of louvers on one elevation. So you can quickly duplicate these louvers for your schedule and simply change the reference, the sizes, and the flow rate depending on the louvered area. Build your schedule. So not only that, but you can also drag and drop these louvres so that you can reorder your schedule so that it shows exactly how you want to see it on your project. So easy as that. Once you've completed your schedule, all you have to do is press save, and then you can simply export as an Excel file or print as a PDF to share with your team or external consultants. So hopefully that was helpful and saves you a lot of time moving forward. If you have any questions or need any help selecting movers, please always reach out. We're always happy to jump on a Teams call and work through these details with you. Look forward to hearing from you and collaborating further with you on projects soon.